Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena and this is my beautiful face. On this channel we share simple recipes that you can try at home, but today we are not in the kitchen, neither are we cooking, we are outside. So we were invited to the YouTube Creators Festival 2022 lunch and your girl showed up. As usual, I brought you guys along. However, your girl is not so good with vlogging, so this video might be a bit chaotic, but stay tuned and see all that happened, okay?
YouTube Creators Festival Ghana, and I want to thank everybody that is here, especially the creators. We are very excited to have you here. This is just a launch. We are launching the event officially today, the YouTube Creators Festival Ghana, and very soon we're going to launch the nominees, which I'm sure most of you are waiting for. So we will launch the nominees also on the screen very soon. So the event is starting from the 24th to 26th. So 24th November, there's a tour, exclusive tour, and then on the 25th, we have an all-female masterclass at Blue Crest University. And then on the 26th, that's the main event. It starts at 8 a.m. at the Silverbird Cinemas, Paramount. So that will start from 8 to 2 p.m. Then at the night, we will have the awards. So please, we want all of you to be a part of this. We are trying to bring Ghanaian content creators together, especially the YouTube creators, so that we will be able to let our voices be heard on the international front. Because we believe Ghanaian creators have so much to offer. We are doing amazing work. They didn't come for themselves. We are doing amazing work. People are creating content, tourism, tech, and food, and all of that. That is why we need to celebrate every creator here. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the launch. I want you to enjoy yourself. Big thanks to Superstar. Make sure you sit in the car before you leave here. And please keep creating about the event and doing the content. Thank you very much.
Food Creator of the Year, Tatiana Aina, Sweet Agility, Mukasa Chip, Case Recipes GH, Cooking with Cinda, Nanapa's Kitchen, Quachua's Kitchen.
Who say it get easy and wake up to you say that person name na only nobody will no joke. Come and see I don't go. He does a picture and Cuba. Come the go machine go. So don't give up. Something. Okay.
Guys, for the nominations for the food YouTuber category, all our faves are there, from Kwachua's Kitchen to Sweet Ajele, Nanabe's Kitchen, Tatiana. I mean, they are all there. Who are you voting for? Let us know in the comments below. And are you voting for your faves to win this? And we also had Ketchup perform for us. Now, at this point, we played a little game for someone to be able to win one of the Silver Star cars for the weekend, and there was a yes or no written on paper, and the 6 of us had the yes. So now the 6 of us had to compete for one person to be able to win the car for the weekend. And guess what? Incredible Ziggy, a professional dancer, was part of us, so I felt it was a bit biased. We were trying to boycott the dance, but it didn't work. So the rule was whoever overdances would be disqualified. However, your girl can't even dance to save her life, so I had to run away. But the event was so much fun. We had a lot of fun.
I should make sure nobody overdance. If you overdance, you disqualify. Yes, yes. Yeah. Okay.
Basic is out.
If I should bring food stars now, you know what? You start. Okay, let me give you 1 minute. Shake what's the matter. You need it.
Uncle, show them. Some years I didn't win the car because I couldn't dance. However, we had an opportunity to test drive the car, so just look at how sleek this car looks. I mean, if I tell me move, but we move. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. There's more coming as the creator event itself and the awards. It's coming at the end of November, so I'll share all of that with you guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
My name is Mawuena from Food Stories GH. We are at YT Creators Nominees Lunch, and it's fun, exciting. I hope to see you at the awards night. Don't miss it.